So a client brought in this Gerber fixed blade, and he said that it got damaged, and then somebody tried to grind it, and they ground off this portion of the knife, and they ground it all the way up to there, and they made that odd looking little divot in the knife. Now, I'm not a knife maker or much of a craftsman in repairing knives. I usually pass on this kind of stuff. I just like to sharpen stuff. But he asked me if I could fix this, and I'm going to try. I'm going to use the buck tool 1x30 to see if I can fix it. So I got the buck tool 1x30 set up here to do the reprofiling of this knife, and put a brand new 3M Cubitron 2 belt 120 grit on it. And so we're going to see if we can repair this knife. I got some water handy to keep it cool. So if you noticed, I've reprofiled the blade, made it more smooth all the way across, and actually the cutting surface on this knife stopped about right there, and it was real thick right in this area. Now I've reprofiled the blade all the way across and made it look really good. Now I'm going to sharpen it on my 2x42 and put a really nice bevel on each side. So I got it all reground. I don't know if you can tell or not here. Let's see if we can get it closer. I really thinned the blade out all the way down. So I think the customer's going to be happy with that. Nice edge on it. I did it 18.5 degrees. It's sharp.